Jai Srimanarayana. 11th sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yadaksharam Vedavido vadanti Visanti Yadyatayo Vitaragaha Yadichanto Brahmacharyam charanti Tatte padam Sangrahena Pravakshye. Om. Every day, at least once, check yourself if you are aspiring for self-realization or not. If you have any ambition towards self-realization or not. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma saying, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Krishna, Srimanarayana, I shall start checking myself if I have any ambition towards self-realization or not. I shall check every day with myself. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 60th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra," all the ministers saying to Kamsa like this, "O Raja, wherever Brahmanas, cows, tapasyas, yajnas are there Sri Mahavishnu will be existing. So, if we can destroy Sanatana Dharmam, thus Sri Mahavishnu also will be destroyed. Sahi Sarvasuradhyaksho hi Asuradvit Guhasayaha." The one who is existing in everyone's heart, such Sri Mahavishnu is the enemy to all of us. तत्मूलाः देवताः सर्वाः स ईश्वराः स चतुर्मुखाः. Brahma, Rudra and including all the devatas, all of them will be under the protection of Sri Mahavishnu. He is master of all the devatas. That is why Champudume Nilimpulanu Brahmavettalani Jankelan Rankelan Tapasa Avalin Pampudume. Let us now destroy all the devatas and Brahmavettas. By our screamings, let us chase all the Maharshis. Nigamam Bulan Vidarim Pudume Vasundharan Harim Pudume Jananada Pampuma. Let us destroy Vedas. Let us abduct all this earth. And then let us kill all the devatas. Please give me orders, give us orders. Like that all the mantris, all the ministers are requesting Kamsa. With their so many bad teachings, Kamsa's buddhi also got destroyed, and he came to a conclusion that Brahma himsam hitam mene, killing sadhus, brahmanas, is only the means, is only the ultimate goal. Like that, Kamsa came to a conclusion. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 11th sloka. Yadaksharam Vedavido Vadanti Visanti Yadyatayo Vitaragaha Yadichanto Brahmacharyam Charanti Tatte Padam Sangrahena Pravakshye. Yadaksharam Vedavido Vadanti Visanti Yadyatayo Vitaragaha Yadichanto Brahmacharyam Charanti Tatte Padam Sangrahena Pravakshye. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.